Take it off! Is that bad up there? The what? It's lovely, is it? Not too bad for that, I suppose, but buffering, is she? Lovely picture of the windsock then as well, Steve. I can't see the plane now. There's a silhouette in as well.
That is strong up there.
Oh, I bet it is. Not really good for a test flight on a stagger wing then, no? You liar.
It's alright into the wind, it's buffeting back and forth a bit, but it's not too bad.
Struggling to go ahead, is she?
Yeah. More engine.
That's the airflow probably going into the carb as well.
Ooh, that was the wind.
Yeah, watch it on the turns because it'll try and drop the wing completely. It looked like you were going to fly into the windsock then. Gonna do a touch and go, see what it's like?
Yeah. Well, I landed.
Oh, right, okay. Where are you? Oh, yeah. She won't want to come down. It's gliding, is it, Steve? Going round, is it? Yeah. Going round! Get as low as you can. Just cut her. Lovely, well done. Watch her prop now. She'll try and go up.